John's birthday. Look at that. Spike ball. That's right. And guess what? You are here with us right now. John's birthday. Look at that. Spike ball. That's right. And guess what? We're coming for you, McNeely. We're coming for you. No moss pizza. No moss. Right there. We are saying cumpleaños feliz a ti.
Hey,
What?
we get some air too.
We're funny.
Undies back there,
Oh yeah.
right here.
Yeah, that should be fine. We're not gonna trip over that. That'll be fine. All right, kids are asleep. We're going. Miguel, check it out, bro. Inspired socks for you, dog. We're about to go hit up this trail, go see what this waterfall looks like, get the backpack on, throw the kiddos in. All right, we got our water. Boom. Got our keys. Let's lock our car. All right, car's locked. We're headed to go see the waterfall. What trail are we following, babe? A yellow Fall Creek Falls. So you are here with us right now. We're gonna follow it and go to the waterfalls. Nobody cares the waterfalls right here. So that's where we're headed to. Let's go. Let's do this. Kids got their food. I got my tall hiking socks on. Excited. Hopefully we get some shots. Some camera shots for y'all. And see, it's pretty cool because we just started our vlog. So now we get to go back, get y'all a video of this hike here, and then turn around and make a post of the waterfall that we didn't get to put in on our weekend story a few weeks ago. We're about to cross. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I see the waterfall. That's cool, huh? Oh, pretty cool, pretty cool. Oh, wow. Look at this. Water's just coming out of the ground. All right. Whoa, look at this water flying across this log. It looks like that waterfall Daddy made. It's for you guys. Hey. Yeah, baby! Look at it.
Cool.
A little bit of vlog reflection time. Got the fam taking some pictures while we're out here. Nolan's trying to sleep. I've been getting a lot of encouragement and just messages from people, and I'm pumped, man. I'm pumped that people are excited. They're seeing what we're doing and being so encouraging to us. I just want to hopefully inspire you to step up your man game and be the men that God has called you to be, and just be intentional about your family time. Just really treasure that moment, these moments that we have. Just make the most of every opportunity. Man, that's like the biggest thing for me. It's every single opportunity, just taking it and seizing it and making the most of it. Not only for family, but business, for my quiet time, to be in the Word. Just like everything, when I capitalize on that, it's so fulfilling. But this is awesome. So cool, man. I just love being out here. Love being out here. It's Thursday night. We could be doing anything, watching TV, you know, sitting around the house, doing whatever, but we're out here, and man, I love it. There's nothing better. Ain't that right, Bubba?
No, you're supposed this way.